Well, this is kind of a bummer. I don't have a stand. Put this phone on, whatever. Gotta get one of those. See, this is no good. That's why you gotta get a different pick guard. And these knobs, you can't grip those knobs for a thing. Whatever. It looks really good. It looks really good. The neck is not, as I feared, too stripy rosewood. I don't know anything about wood anyway. That might be better, but I don't like all those look, you know what I mean? And this is not too much. This is not at all too much like that. So that's cool. Oh, look at those tuning heads are shallow. I didn't know they were that shallow. You know, I wonder if a Gibson is that shallow. Certainly Les Pauls weren't. I don't remember them being that. There's no way they were that shallow. It might need to be. I bet a Gibson has more angle on the headstock. And then you got your, I guess that's a plastic nut, yeah. Otherwise, everything's tip top. Guess I'll order a case. See what we got around here. Those are all finished. It should be. Yeah. Let's look under the pick guard.